Here we go. Ta-da! Ooh. Okay, maybe I should turn it that way around. Show you so you can see what I can see. That's quite posh, isn't it? There we go. Get rid of that. So, what does this say on it? Because I can't read it upside down. Qwerkywriter Typewriter-Inspired mechanical keyboard. Okay, all right. I'll use the appropriate kitchen knife to slice that open. So I'll let you have the first proper look as we open this. Ta-da! Oh, that looks lovely. There we go. Wow. Okay, let's get it out of here, shall we? Wow, this thing's got some heft to it. Okay, let's just put that, as they do in all these unboxing videos, let's put that to one side for the time being. See what else we've got in here. Might have to just take everything out and then just go through it one by one. I think that's it. Well, that's well packaged. Come all the way over from the States. So what do we get in the? What do we got in the box? Oh, there you go. Okay, well, it's a nice braided cable. USB-A on one side, USB-C on the other. I'd be intrigued to know whether it charges with USB-C to USB-C. I have some devices that will only charge from USB-A to USB-C. So if you put USB-C in it to USB-C, it won't charge. If anybody out there knows why that's the case, then please let me know. But there we are. It's nice and braided. So that's lovely. That looks nice. Okay, what we got here? We got a just instruction book. Please read from your friends. No, oh, it's like old school. It's got like pictures. Well, obviously, I'm going to read that in full first. Okay, let's get to the main thing, shall we? There we are. It's a bit too much plastic. I think Stu from Stu's Reviews, if you've not heard of him, I recommend you go check his channel out. He complains about the plastic, and I think he's right too. We don't need to have all this on here. Wow, look at that. That looks awesome. Take more plastic. Take that off there. Wow, this has got some weight to it. This is solid. Okay, I can't type upside down, so I'm going to have to do it here. So here we go. Oh, that is amazing. It feels so good. That gets in the way a little bit as you kind of try and do shift and exclamation mark. This thing does stuff. This thing does stuff. This thing does stuff. Should we get it plugged in and plug it in there? Oh, that's nice and neat. There we are. So you can do it by USB. You can do it by 3 Bluetooth keyboard. Anyway, we'll go into that in a bit. Just wanted you to experience the unboxing with me.